When you see something good for your community, embrace it and spread the good news. That is exactly what Pastor Adeyemi and Dr. Mrs. Adeyemi of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Mansfield, did. In December, they invited me to present SparkXplorer to their church in Mansfield. I walked them through the platform, showing members how it offers self-guided practice for their children and access to over 4,000 plus certified tutors that are based in US who are ready to help their students from kindergarten to grade 12.
Join me this morning to welcome our brother. I don't know whether you are a pastor or a minister or you are a professor or referent. I just know that the Lord will use him to bless us in the next 10 to 13 or 15 minutes they are going to give you.
Thank you so much, Ma. I started this platform, part of my project in school in the middle of summer. And today I have close to 1,000 kids already on the platform. Kids generally love competition. My boys, they love competition. I want the best from them. The reward system was what made the difference. You guys are not doing well in school. If I'm in Nigeria, I'm always having issues with the fact that you're struggling to get above 70. How can we make a difference? Then I came across tools that we can use to make that difference online. After a couple of months of introducing it, I wasn't still seeing the difference. Then we negotiated and agreed on a reward system. If you achieve this, this is what you get in return. And gradually that was making a difference. A combination of that and the after-school tutoring that we've added to the platform is actually what makes the difference now.
The parents absolutely love it. And the kids, they got right to it with smiles on their faces. You could tell they were excited to learn. The members love the idea of our reward for learning system. It motivates kids to learn independently, setting them on a path to academic excellence in the United States of America. After the presentation, kids from RCCG Mansfield subscribed in droves. Now they have a tool to excel in school supported by SparkXplorer. If you're a pastor or community leader, just like Pastor and Dr. Mrs. Adeyemi, reach out to us. Let us set the kids in your church on a path to educational success here in the US. Together we can empower the next generation of leaders. Visit www.sparkexplorer.com to learn more.